Very good morning and welcome you all in the class of Simplifying Mathematics. Today we are going to learn about how to find the solution to any assignment problem. So hope you are clear about what is an assignment problem. So what is there in assignment problem? We have to find which source should be assigned to which task so that the desired objective function should be achieved. So finding that assignment means what? Which source should be assigned to which task. So finding that assignment, so that is what called. So that is called the solution to any assignment problem. There is only one method of finding solution to any assignment problem, and that is called Hungarian method or reduced matrix method. Now what are the various steps in this method for finding solution to any assignment problem? Now the first step is you have to check for square matrix. That is, you have to check that assignment problem should be a balanced assignment problem. Balanced assignment problem means कि number of rows should be equal to number of columns. That is, the matrix should be a square matrix. So if the matrix is not square, then make it square by adding a dummy row or dummy column. Now next step is reduction of matrix. So reduction of matrix means you have to bring at least one zero in each row and column by subtracting the minimum value of that row or column from all the values of that row or column. So this is what called matrix reduction, that is bringing at least one zero. Now after reduction of matrix, the next step is you have to make assignments in the reduced matrix. So whatever matrix we have formed in the step second, so on that matrix we have to make the assignments for getting an optimal solution. So when will you get optimal solution? When in every row and in every column there is one assignment. In that case, so you will get the required optimal solution to the given assignment problem. If you are not getting the optimal solution in step third, optimal solution means when you are not getting one assignment in each row and in each column, so then we have to move towards the step 4. So what is there in step 4? So step 4 is what? Iterate towards optimal solution, that we have to move towards the optimal solution. We will further reduce the matrix to check whether the optimal solution can be achieved or not. The detailed step-by-step methodology of each step, this is given in the next slide. So we'll take some numerical problems and we'll apply this Hungarian method on that numerical problem. So then you will be able to understand what is the meaning of all these steps. So we'll explain it with the help of some numericals. So first of all, you should all go through the methodology. So same methodology we are going to apply in the numerical problems.